there might be another year of earnings downgrades coming in for the cement sector. That's according to a recent report by Kotak Institutional Equities. A weak demand environment can keep prices subdued, while the ban of pet coke in 3 states can increase cost pressures for the industry. This is much spoken about. The question mark is what kind of impact could it have, and what has Kotak analyzed it as? Darshan is standing by with the key takeaways from the report. Darshan, how much of a hit is Kotak pricing in?
See, they're expecting it to be a weak quarter going ahead for cement, but it's an interesting report in which basically they talk about the pricing trends that are there as far as the cement sector is concerned. So this is all India average rupee per bag. It will be a 50 kg bag. So what they've said is that there has been a continuous increase, and then for the next 6 months there was this decrease, and finally after 6 months of decline, finally we are seeing an increase of 4 rupees per bag in December. So these are the trends that they have spotted as far as the entire cement sector is concerned. They break it down into where they see the price trend, and majority has come in as far as the north is concerned, because the problem of pet coke has happened there, wherein 3 states have been banned to use pet coke as raw material. So that is where maximum price change has happened. So 16 rupees is the increase over last month. Central has seen an increase. It's been rather flat as far as east and south is concerned, and west in fact has seen a decline of prices. So prices currently are most expensive in east and south, but the price increase recently has happened maximum in the northern area. So this is an all India trend that Kotak has actually spoken about. Now individually we'll speak about some of the trends and some of the content that they are speaking about. First of all, what is weighing in on cement prices and cement companies? The pet coke ban usage in 3 states, and that is where you saw that North actually came out with a big price hike. Cost prices are rising, cost pressures are rising as per Kotak. And finally, what you're also seeing is that demand environment continues to remain weak. So on all fronts, some of the cement companies are getting, attacked from all fronts. Now, if you're looking at North, basically Delhi and Haryana is where the maximum increase happened. 25 rupees per bag is the increase that happened, and in Haryana it was 20 rupees, Punjab and Rajasthan. So all these areas are where the pet coke ban still remains. So these are the areas wherein price hike had actually happened. Price hike largely also offset the fuel cost inflation that was there. That is as per the Kotak report that happened. Basically, let's move on to the west. Maharashtra and Gujarat, both of them saw a decline of anywhere between 3 rupees to 2 rupees per bag. And as far as the south is concerned, Kerala was the only one which saw a 10 rupee increase in bag. The other states were rather flat. And finally, moving on to the other geographies, as far as south is concerned, the sand mining issue is clearly there. We wrote a story about it yesterday, and the weak demand is clearly there as far as the southern market is concerned. Now, this is the eastern market. In the northeast and Orissa, there have been a price decline of 10 rupees and 5 rupees. In Bihar and West Bengal, there have been increase of 5 rupees per bag. So this is an all India scenario that Kotak has actually panned out. What are the concerns for the cement sector? First of all, subdued demand. GST and GST had dragged prices since May. So from May, you're seeing that prices have continuously been falling, and this is the only month which you saw an increase. They expect earnings downgrade in FY18 to continue on rising cost that is there, and large cap valuations are rich despite optimistic earning expectations. So they're not too optimistic as far as the large caps are concerned. They would rather prefer the mid caps, and the counter that they like at this point of time, Grasim, no longer, it's still a large cap, but among the counters that they like, Grasim, JK Lakshmi Cement and Dalmia Bharat are the counters that Kotak prefers at this point of time.